Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. And as you all can see, I'm looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing. This water wave wig is doing the most. Okay, I had to actually test out the quality. I know that you can see that the quality is 10 out of 10, right? But you know what, I had to do something so that you can believe me, because I always say Luvme Hair wigs, they never disappoint, and I'm not even lying. So if you want to know exactly what I did to this wig, keep on watching. So I'm going to show you guys what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. It is purple and silver, and let me show you guys what are all the goodies. Okay, I'm seeing the hair, but we'll deal with that later. It's so beautiful. So they were kind enough to send me this nice branded hair clipper, Luvme Hair storage bag, beauty blender, a branded Luvme Hair comb, and of course a girl can never have too many HD lace cap. Now this is a water wave wig, a wet and wavy kind of situation. It is a 5x5 and everything is done for you. Okay, so straight out of the box, look at this parting. They created this parting, they hot combed this parting, they bleached the knots for us. And this is a breathable cap, so if you want to scratch your scalp, baby girl, you don't have to take off your wig in front of Pam Guabantu. All you need to do is just scratch normally, okay, and pretend as if this is your own hair, because honey, look at that, the lace is going to melt. Okay, this wig has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back. It has 2 adjustable belts, you can see, and of course this nice adjustable band as well. So I love the texture of this wig. It is nice and shiny. It moves, obviously, as you all can see. Look how beautiful the curls are. They are of course soft to the touch. yo wow. This wig fits perfectly. That adjustable belt is doing the most, guys. As you can see, this wig is not going anywhere. A whole glueless wig, Kesan. Glueless. And it is so nice and tight on me. Okay, it is secure. Okay, I love the wet and wavy texture. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that. This wig looks so good, guys. You saw I did not do anything to this wig. So this wig is beginner friendly. It is glueless. The knots are bleached. The lace is cut for you. There's absolutely nothing that you have to do to this wig. Luvme Hair is doing the most with all of these nice wigs. Okay, so if you go on the Luvme Hair website and you type a glueless wig, let me assure you, you are going to receive a glueless wig. Okay, this is exactly what you're going to get. Okay, you are going to get a beautiful glueless wig that looks like you did a whole lot of things to it. I'm very much impressed. I love the curls. The wet and wavy texture is doing the most. Look at that. The curls are nice. So you all know I always talk about the quality when it comes to Luvme Hair, you know, wigs. And I'm about to show you something. I'm about to straighten, just, you know, straighten this portion and then we're gonna see if we use mousse or a little bit of water, are the curls going to bounce back? And looking at the quality, I know very well that the curls are going to bounce back. So let's see. Now the hair is straight. You guys can see the hair is straight. Okay. Now I'm going to use water. Okay. Wow. This is straight. Okay. This is bone straight. So I'm going to use water and probably a little bit of mousse to see if we can define this straight bob into this curly bob. Okay, let's do this. Watch and learn. Guys, you see the curls are forming. This is what happens when you work with quality. Are you seeing this? You guys are looking at me. Are you guys seeing what I am doing? Are you guys seeing the curls forming from a straight wig to a curly wig? Okay, nah guys, I'm impressed. Guys, I'm impressed. They bounced back, and you saw it here. This is a Love Me Hair wig. Love Me Hair wig. The curls bounced back. Look at how defined the curls are. As if I didn't just straighten this wig. Hi guys, go get yourself this wig. Yo. Wow. And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.